Product development is more challenging than ever, with increasing pressure to deliver better results in an ever-changing market. Now more than ever, you need to find strategic partners to help you digitally transform your business.
Our purpose at Autodesk is to empower innovators everywhere to embrace digital transformation with the strategies to become more resilient and agile, customer-centric, and data-driven.
Autodesk PLM is all about digitally transforming your data and processes. It removes collaboration barriers and increases efficiency, keeping your teams and suppliers working together with greater resilience and agility. Autodesk's cloud-based data and process management is easy to use and accessible anytime from a web browser. It simplifies everyday work so you can spend more time on high-value tasks and less time on distractions.
Teams need to work together concurrently regardless of their physical location or where they sit in the product development lifecycle. This is where Autodesk's decade of experience in building cloud solutions can really make a difference.
CAD integrated data management keeps everyone working in the design tools they already know, including the most widely used systems. And process management standardizes workflows for design collaboration and review, bills of materials, change, quality, new product introductions, supplier collaboration, and more.
Every model, every idea, every piece of information is connected. So whether it's coming from a project manager, industrial designer, mechanical engineer, machinist on the shop floor, or a supplier, all of that data is tied together end to end.
Autodesk gives you the flexibility to start today and expand tomorrow with cloud data and process management that adapts to your business. Implement the functionality you need when you need it. And an open API allows you to integrate Autodesk PLM with other business systems such as ERP and CRM and do even more with your data.
Bringing design and manufacturing together in a common data experience gives a complete view of products and processes. And it offers actionable insights to individuals across the entire organization. So everyone can make better decisions faster.
Wherever you are in your digital transformation journey, take your next step with Autodesk and gain the advantage of connected people, process, and data.